Hey, what's up?
Hey, I have to eat.
What?
I gotta eat.
You mean pee?
Yeah, I drank lee.
What are you talking about?
Lee. Black lee, green lee, you know.
You mean tea?
Yeah, what's wrong with you? How much is the G?
G?
The money we have to pay.
Oh, you mean fee? Look, it's on the wall. Can't you be?
I don't be anymore.
What? You be with what?
Huh? I don't know what you're talking about.
You be with your eyes.
Oh, see.
No. English, not Spanish.
No, you see things with your eyes. Bee is a flying insect.
Cool. But you still have to be.
Yeah, that's true. I do. There goes a tree.
I can see.
Listen and repeat. Leaf. Green. Tree. Bee. Beef. Flea.